To add a Twitter feed to a Webflow website, start by navigating to the Webflow website and logging in with your email and password. Once logged in, access the Webflow web designer, where you'll find various options, including add elements, pages, navigator, and settings. Click on Add Elements and then select the advanced options, which include search, background video, drop-down, locals, code, embed, map, bar, slider, tabs, and social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. To add a Twitter feed, click on Twitter, and you'll see options to post, share URLs, and configure settings for the Twitter widget. Alternatively, you can visit the app's catalog, search for Twitter, and select the Twitter feed option, now referred to as X. Create a template, save it, and copy the code. Then, return to the designer, go to Embed Elements, and select the advanced options again. Find the Embed Code section, paste the copied code, and you're done.